In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble your Vako decorative track. There's the 4 different profiles, but I'm going to show you how to assemble 2. You're going to need your screwdriver and your supplied Allen wrench. Let's assemble our sample. I am going to choose the type of carrier I'd like to use. I can either use a wheeled glider for pleated drapery, or I can use a wave glider for ripple wave drapery. That's cool. You didn't see that before, did you? Watch this. This little guy goes inside housing. He snaps in there, all right? And this is the champagne color. We have a matching champagne ripple holder and matching champagne wave carriers.
What are you putting in there, Jen?
I'm putting my stop in. So my drapery opens properly. And I've got a ball finial I can use. I've got an XL finial. It's a little bit bigger than the rod profile. And I've got a flush mount. I like the flush mount today. So the flush mount just is even with the pole. Scooping that over, tightening my stop. And then I'm going to tighten the set screw that is holding my flush end cap in place. And now we have the end. And now, before I put the other end on, I want to show you some brackets. I have 3 different ceiling brackets. I have a flush mount ceiling bracket. It just slides on the track. The face of this is slightly elevated, so your flush mount bracket, you won't see it from the front. It hides behind that little lip. So you would slide these on this track and use your Allen wrench to tighten this here in place. I also have a short post ceiling bracket. Which slides in the track. And I have a long post ceiling bracket that slides in the track. I have 3 different wall brackets. I have a fixed wall bracket. That's this long. So if I was going to install these, I would install the post to the wall. The cover plate slips right on top, and the arm fits right over that post. So the part we need for the rod, we slide this fitting into the rail, and we tighten it in place. And there's your wall bracket. I do have a double bracket, or a double center support bracket as well. So I'll hold 2 like this. So as you can see, there's a lot of options for brackets. I'm going to choose the extendable bracket. If you have a wall that's a little bit wonky or crooked, these are nice because you can just eke out a little bit if you need it. So not all walls are straight. tighten. This set screw attaches the arm to the post. So now that's connected to the base plate. And then I have the adjustable part. This is securing the projection on your adjustable bracket. And then you use your Allen key to tighten the top so it's fixed in place. I'm going to take this part off because this is the part that gets installed on the wall. Now I'm going to put my end cap on. Tightening the set screw. And there you have it. And just for fun, I'm going to do one more. You're going to choose the type of gliders you'd like to use. Here I have the wheeled carriers. I have some asymmetrical friction gliders on a speed loader. And I have a snap pendant ripple gliders. I'm going to try these. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? So why are they asymmetrical? They're non-tilting. Non-tilting glider. Very fancy. So, let me see. I got those in. I'm going to put my stop in. I'm going to snap one off. Put my stop in. Put in my ball finial. And I have the same bracket options as I had previously. I have the flush mount ceiling bracket, which slides into the track. I have the round track, so I have a round base plate bracket with the same post, round base plate, fits over that. Arm onto the top track. You're tightening the set screws. Oh. And there you go. There are your gliders.